Has your cat or dog been peeing in inappropriate places? Have you tried everything and nothing worked? So now I'm going to show you a very efficient homemade mixture. Wherever you go, your pet won't even come close. So let's get started. I'm going to start by adding 150 milliliters of water at room temperature to a pan, and I'm going to turn on the fire. And here in the pan I will add cloves. He is known for having a very strong odor, and that's exactly what we need to scare away your pet, because he doesn't like strong smells. Remembering that he won't hurt your pet, okay? So here I added 5 tablespoons of cloves. Now I'm going to let it boil and wait for about 5 minutes. Once it's boiled, I'll take it off the heat and pass through a sieve to extract only the clove tea. Now we are going to use Pine Sun, which is an excellent product that kills bacteria and germs. It also has a strong odor. I will add 150 ml of pine sol. And finally, I'm going to add detergent. It can be any brand and fragrance. I will add 100 milliliters of this detergent. I'll get a spray bottle and a funnel and put this little mixture inside for easier application. And it's ready to use anywhere in your home. Just spray where you don't want your pet to pee, okay? And today's video was this. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful tip. Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 57, but thanks be to God, who gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ. As followers of Jesus, we have much to be thankful for, because the Lord blesses us so much. This verse reminds us that it is our Lord Jesus Christ who gives us the victory. Trusting and obeying is what will allow us to succeed and win. Thanks for your company. Until the next video. Bye-bye.